Meaning and nature of small business. Industries like handlooms, handicrafts, coir, sericulture, khadi and village industries, small-scale industries, and power looms come under village and small industries sector in the country. The last two of these are modern small industries. These businesses are biggest employers in the country. The size, small, of a business can be measured based on persons employed, capital invested, volume or value of output, and the power utilized. In India, small industries are measured based on the capital invested. It also includes the many service-related business that are growing in the country. A single framework addressing the concerns of small business is taken care of by the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act, MSMED Act. It handles issues such as definition, credit, marketing, technology required, etc. As per the Act, there are two categories of enterprises: manufacturing and services. Manufacturing. The Act defines three types of manufacturing enterprises. 1. Micro-enterprise. Capital investment not more than 25 lakh rupees. 2. Small enterprise. Capital investment more than 25 lakh but less than 5 crore rupees. 3. Medium enterprise. Capital investment more than 5 crore but less than 10 crore rupees. Services. 1. Micro enterprise. Capital investment not more than 10 lakh rupees. 2. Small enterprise. Capital investment more than 10 lakh but less than 2 crore rupees. Medium enterprise. Capital investment more than 2 crore but less than 5 crore rupees. Village industries. These are enterprises engaged in producing goods or services in rural areas without the usage of power, and fixed capital is determined by the central government. Cottage industries. These are industries that are organized by individuals with their own resources, involves family labor and local talent. Use simple equipment. Capital invested is small. Produce is simple and technology used is indigenous.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.